Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. And today is the 500 subscribers special. I did a poll on which one I should do for the poll, and the winner was the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo. A lot of my viewers appear to like the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo videos. So here's another one for the 500 subscriber special. And also, so yeah, this will be a 500 subscriber special. I also did another poll on what type I should do, like a mess test or that kind of stuff. And the answer was a natural vacuuming. So natural vacuuming with the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo. And also, I made a slight twist. And I put some dirt down, so I put some dirt down, hopefully give it a little bit of extra crunchiness that you guys, some of you guys like. So yeah, I sprinkled that onto the carpet too. So yeah, so we'll have a natural vacuuming and a mini mist test here. So 2 in 1. But this is a 500 subscriber special. So I want to take this quick time to thank you guys for all the subscribers, and thank you to all the ones that have supported me over the years since I have started uploading. But yeah, not too long ago, I recently just hit 3 years on YouTube, or since this account was created. 3 years since this account was created. So yeah. So Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo. Thank you guys for 500 subs, and this is what you guys want, so this is what I'm gonna do for you guys today. Sorry for the lack of uploads. There's several more videos that I have to upload, and but yeah, you guys will see those. I'll release those probably sometime whenever, but today is April Fool's Day, so But yeah, today's April Fool's Day, but there's some videos that I have back from mid-March, or yeah, I'll have to look in the dates, but like mid-March to the end of March, I have some videos that I still have not uploaded from there yet. So yeah, they've been on my phone, but I just have not edited them and published them yet. Some of them I'm working on editing today, but yeah, I still got videos to upload and film and stuff like that. But anyways, this is the 500 subscriber special, and I hope you guys enjoy. So let's go ahead and get started. So hope you guys enjoy. guys see, that's the Bissell Powerforce Helix turbo vacuuming, natural vacuuming with a slight mess test. Yeah, the area is only this big. So that's what you guys asked for. But yeah, the area is only this big. And here's my garage full of washers and a dryer. But yeah, this is it. But yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, thank you guys for 500 subscribers, and let me know in the comments on what you guys should think I should do for 1,000 subscribers, if I manage to achieve that. So yeah, more vehicles. But anyways, let me know in the comments, guys, of what should I do for 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, so that's all I got for today, and I will see you guys in the next one. So make sure to subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So till next time, guys, peace out.